Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify QuillBot workflows for SEO article expansions, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the QuillBot website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Quill tool. Choose an article that you want to expand for SEO purposes. Copy and paste the original article text into the input box of QuillBot. Select the appropriate mode for your expansion. For SEO articles, consider using the fluency or creative modes. Review the settings to ensure they align with your content goals. Click the Expand button to generate the revised text. Pay attention to the changes made in the output section. Carefully read through the expanded text for relevance to your original topic. Look for keywords or phrases that are essential for SEO. Ensure that these keywords are naturally integrated within the content. If needed, manually adjust the text to improve flow and coherence. Check for duplicate content by comparing the expanded text with your original article. Use a plagiarism checker to ensure your new version is unique and SEO friendly. Make any final edits for grammar and structure if necessary. Once satisfied, save your changes. Finally, prepare to upload the revised article to your website or blog. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.